Vijay is a popular movie star, and there will be people who wanted to look up at him and listen what he says. But in reality, on the ground, it is between AIADMK and DMK, between the two Dravidian majors, which everybody knows. But since he has started a new party, floated a new party, he needs to make a statement. He struggles to position himself. The first positioning strategy for anybody would be like to challenge the people in power so that he gets the limelight. Yeah. That's what Mr. Vijay has done. But it has to gain momentum based on their actions. I've been repeatedly saying what Vijay makes is noise. Noise has to translate into actions, and people and common man has to believe the actions. Then it has to translate into votes, and that sufficient vote should give them the number of MLAs, elected representatives. Then comes the power. Mr. Vijay has still not crossed the first attempt. He is still making noise.